clear tu te chibai le vekule tuntuma hian Mizoram Sawrkar Hnaruak sang dil thei te kanen ho le don ani pakhatna chuan Excise and Narcotics Department Hnaruak Excise Constable post pakua arwaka regular anget ani don ani lo hi pay level 2 sing khasang kwa zakwa tanga sing ruk sang thum le zani in kar ani dona class 10 HSLC pass chintana dil thei dona computer certificate CCC le achung lam thiam nei angai don ani mizo tong middle school standard chin thiam angaya kumsom pariat atanga somthum le panga inkar tan dil thei ani STSC tan chuan kumsom li thleng dil thei ani don ni nalak dan tura hianin physical test a written le interview om don ani physical measurement bi ka hianin sanzonga mipa 160 cm meichia 155 cm ni angaya onboard chest lenzonga hian mipa normal 84 tin expansion 89 ti thei angai dona meichia chuan normal 75 expansion 77 cm ti thei angai dona ni physical test a hian high jump mipa 108 cm meichia 80 cm long jump mipa 308 cm meichia 222 cm ti thei angai dona 100 meter race a mipa 15 second a tlan thlen angaya meichia chuan 18 second 100 meter race tlan thlen angai don ani 1 km race a hian mipa 5 minutes man angaya meichia chuan 8 minutes chungin tlan thlen tur ani dil du tan Excise Constable dil na form hi Commissionerate and Narcotics khatla aizola le district hranga Excise and Constable office a lak chhuah thei ania tin Excise and Narcotics Department website chu excise.mizoram.gov.in atangin PDF in download thei ani bokani form thelu na hmun po hi Commissionerate and Narcotics khatla aizola le district hranga Excise and Narcotics Department office a te thelu turani dil na form thelu rual hian physical test admit card lak chhuah ngal tur ani bokani dil na form thelu ni last date hi December ni som le paruk sang ni som ni le pali thlengani dona dil na form thelu rual hian application fee cheng za le somnga pektel ngal turani kan ria tu chu physical test kan paltlang chuan written exam le personal interview kan machon lenga exam hun le mun tur chu department website lama khan anon ta lang le don ani Excise Constable inbuatsaihna tur azir tur question le study materials te hi ka website www.kamliana.in khan download thein karonda dona mo te chuan in lo join mai don nia join ni link chu hemi video description a hian kada ani pahnina chuanin railway group D Hnaruak post sangsari chuang all India arwaka Mizoram po railway station rail station lian anunda zelta ka chuan hun railo te a function thuai dona Mizoram chunga railway hnathawk theina ani dona wangin le aram nei tu na chu indu sangna te po awmte dona wangin tuna tanga railway Hnaruak te kan lo ngai ven atulani aram leilung fatinge atam theyang ber railway lama hian kan tho ve kan lu ve angai ani railway group D Hnaruak post sangsari chuang arwaka group D na kan ti hianin assistant pointman te hospital attendant porter hamal sweeper gatekeeper gateman pion cook MTS kan ti tekha ani don ani lo hi pay level 1 sing kha sangria ta tanga sing thum sangre le zerukin kar ani dona class 10 pass chintana dil thei don ani kumbi thlia chungchanga hianin kumsom pariat atanga somthum le parukin kar ta na dil thei dona STSC tan kumsom li le pakhat thleng ngai na thiam na awm don ani selection process a hianin computer based test physical efficiency test le medical document verification kha om don ani CBT computer based test a khanin online exam syllabus kan tiang chi kha enta ila general science 25 question 25 marks maths 25 question 25 marks general intelligence and reasoning 30 question 30 marks general awareness and current affairs 20 question 20 marks te ani dona ti chuan vain question hi za omanga mark hi za ani don bokani negative mark om dona question pathum ti diklawa mark khat zel an pai don ani official advertisement hi thale December a ti chu ani dona official notification ti chu ani huna online form fill up dan le akim chang atul piang tekha kanon soifia le don ani pathumna chuanin Directorate of Women and Child Development Department Ruak en leila specialist in financial literacy post pathum khozol na thial le sai tuala te ruaka singthum sangsari le sanga an hlo donani gender specialist post pakhat champhai district ani dona singni sangni le sanga hlo donani deal tu chukum somni pakhata tang somlin kar ani turani a qualification ngai te experience ngai te chu advertisement lama khan kan lo en don nia advertisement download link chu video description a hian omani application form hi Directorate of Women and Child Development Department website chu wcd.mizoram.gov.in atangin download thai ani a download link chu video description a hian omani form submit un last day chu November ni somni le panga ani donani form submit theina mun chu anwaya tala nang hian ani a akhoi member pakhata hian submit mai turani establishment section Directorate of Women and Child Development tui khwa tlangai zola na thial district CDPO office na thiala khozol district CDPO office khozol saitwal district CDPO office thingsul thlia champhai district CDPO office champhai khanga te khanin engamo pera khoi mo per pakhata khan submit mai turani na hi personal interview mangalak turani a written exam don lovani interview nei hun le mun tu te chu department website lama khan anon ti chuak le donani palina chuan NIT Mizoram noya non teaching post hnaruak te pakhatna superintendent post pakhat pay level 6 ani dona junior engineer JE pay level 6 post pahni arwaka technical assistant pay level 6 post pahni technician pay level 3 post panga junior assistant pay level 3 post pahni office assistant pay level 1 post pakhat arwakani application form qualification ngai tele document poimo free tu chu NIT Mizoram website www.nitmz.ac.in atangin download thai ani anga video description hemi video description a hian download link kada ani application form le document thil tel tu chu athala in PDF file in soft copy hi email ID recruitment non-teaching@nitmz.ac.in November ni somni le pasai sang ni somni paliral ma ngein an email a khan thon tur ani written exam le personal interview hun tu chu NIT Mizoram website a khan anon tarlang le don ani pangana chuan Mizoram State Child Protection Society Women and Child Development Social Welfare Tribal Affairs Women and Child Development waya hnaruak enila counselor post pakhat serchi pa hani dona singni an hlo don ani case worker post pathum khozol na thiala pahni singkhat le sanga an hlonga legal cum probation officer post pakhat mamita ani dona singni sangsari zarial le pali protection officer post pakhat mamita singni sangsari zarial le pali counselor na thial district social worker post pakhat saitwal district data analyst post pakhat siaha outreach worker post pakhat superintendent pakhat serchi pa counselor post pahni mamit longtlaya singni sangthum le za somsarian longa counselor post pakhat paramedical staff post pakhat house father post pakhat PT instructor kam yoga trainer post pakhat champhaya ani dona singkhat an hlo dona ni kumsamni pakhat atanga somlin kartan dil thai ani anga qualification ngai te advertisement a chiang zokin ayen thaya kanlo endonia video description a hian advertisement download link kada bokani selection process nalak dan tur hi na hi interview mangalak turani dona written exam don lovani dilna form hi Women and Child Development website portal WCD Mizoram job portal.in atangin online in apply turani last day chu November ni somni le paruk ani donani department website a hian interview hun tur anon tarlang le donani parukna chuan Directorate of Election Mizoram noya pian phungarwal ban lo PWD tana LDC group C post ruak en le ila LDC post pakhat arwaka lo hi singkha sangruk zakwale somni ani dona chu 50% of pay level 4 ani donani tin annual increment don bokani kan soi thinangin PE professional employee kan ti chuanin alanghet lo emarang khan ni dona kumsari kumriat vel an tho hnuwa khan anghet thei donani anghe hnuwa chuanin pay level 4 full salary kha anla thei donani deal theite PWD zinga khan class 12 pass rishiat na thawak lo bank thawak lo te tan deal thei ani deal to PWD chuan ziak le chiar ati thei turani tin trong thei ri she thei mu thei kal thei le thu thei an ni turani a tin kumsom pariat atanga somthum le pasar in kar ani bok turani ama ero chu PWD STSC tan chuan kumsom le panga ngai hathiam na awmdona kumsom nga le pahnih thleng tan adil thei donani dilna form hi Directorate of Election Mizoram website chu ceo.mizoram.gov.in download thei ani a Directorate of Election 3rd floor Old Secretariat Building 1 Treasury Square near Araj Bhawan North Gate lama khan lak chhuwa thei ani donani hemi address a vek hian form hi submit le turani a last date chu December ni ruk ani donani written exam personal interview mangalak turani a exam hun le hun tu te chu department website lama khan anon tarlang le don ani pasarina chuan group D Hnaruak Mizoram Nursing School waya group D PE Hnaruak enila group D PE pakhat arwaka deal du tan deal form hi Mizoram Nursing Council Office Mineko Aizola deal na form hi lak chhuwa theini deal na form submit hun last date chu December ni som pani sang ni som ni le palli ani donani group D PE lo hi singkhat sangkha zakwa somkwa ni dona class 8 pass Mizo language middle school standard chin thiam tan adil thei donani personal interview mga lak turani a interview nei hun le amun tu te chu hriat tirna anon ti chuak le donani